Welcome to Madrasah Islamiah channel, your haven for Islamic education and enlightenment. Assalamu alaikum. We are thrilled to have you join our growing community of seekers and learners on this sacred journey of knowledge and understanding. At Madrasah Islamiah channel, our mission is to bring you insightful, authentic, and engaging content that explores the beauty of Islam and imparts valuable lessons for everyday life. Whether you are a seasoned student of Islamic studies or just beginning your exploration, our channel is designed to cater to all levels of curiosity. From Quranic reflections to lessons from the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and discussions on various aspects of Islamic theology, we aim to provide a diverse range of content that is both enriching and thought-provoking. To stay updated on our latest uploads and ensure you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you become an integral part of our community, contributing to the spread of knowledge and fostering a deeper connection with your faith. Thank you for choosing Madrasah Islamiah channel as your source of Islamic education. Together, let's embark on a journey of enlightenment, inspiration, and spiritual growth. Subscribe now to stay connected with our community and be the first to know about our new and upcoming videos. We look forward to sharing this enriching experience with you. Jazakallah khair. May Allah reward you with goodness. Madrasah Islamiah Channel Team.